No, that's not tackle. No, that's not tackle. No, that's not tackle.
Yeah, man.
I crowd of him power, you know.
Abu go take it. It's too obvious. Abu go take it. Abu, man go kick it. It's a direct kick to goal. You know that. You're not going to pass it to nobody. When something's too obvious, it's too obvious.
Ice, ice. Mikel, ice. Mikel, ice. Quick, quick.
Check, go behind next area, go now. Yeah, set up walls up here. Go on.
Then get extra time, then you got penalty, I didn't got penalty. Extra time.
I that.
Jovi, go, my boy, please.
What are you telling me on this thing? Good one!